Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, February 8, 2022. We have a new patient in the OR. She's a 1940, 17-foot, double cockpit forward deluxe runabout, powered by a Chris-Craft K engine. Chris-Craft built 425 of these runabouts between 1940 and 1942. They were offered with a B, a K that's in this boat, and a KB. Priscilla is just very, very beautiful from the waterline up. Oh, that we could say the same thing from the waterline down. We've brought her into the shop. We will next be pulling the engine, but we've already climbed beneath her and somebody installed an absolutely abysmal faux 5200 bottom on this boat. And it was really kind of sad because as you look, Priscilla is outfitted with my favorite gauges, the Chris-Craft Blues. Just lovely. Her ceilings are original and in excellent shape. The boat has been very carefully cared for by her current owner, but he called me and he said, "Michael, she leaks. She leaks and leaks. She leaks so much that I don't dare take her out in the water anymore." Well, we know why. Particularly at the transom, the bottom has failed completely. Water must just roar in through there. Our concern is that once we have her flipped and have her bottom released, we're going to find a fair amount of rot in that transom. There's a lot of soft wood right back here, right down underneath. But we will repair it. We will not touch the boat from the waterline up. She is going to be swaddled in all manner of blankets, of paper sheeting, of everything you can imagine to protect this finish. Yes, of course, it needs to be waxed. Well, she was on a long road trip, and it's kind of tough to come across US 90 without picking up some, let's call it, road residue. So next week we will pull her into the main shop and roll her over and keep you apprised as we release the bottom. But that's our introduction to Priscilla, 1940, 17-foot, double cockpit forward, deluxe Chris-Craft runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.